In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT details to an organization in Xero. We'll walk through this inside the Xero dashboard, so go ahead and log into your Xero account first. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Accounting. This is where Xero keeps most of your financial configuration. Click on Accounting to open the drop-down menu. From that drop-down, select Accounting Settings. This section controls how your organization's accounts behave, including your tax setup. It's a good idea to pause for a second here and make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if your login has access to multiple businesses. You can quickly verify that by checking the organization name at the top of the screen. Inside Accounting Settings, look for the option called Financial Settings. This is where Xero stores your organization-wide financial preferences, including your VAT configuration. Click on Financial Settings to open that page. Once the Financial Settings page loads, scroll until you find the section labeled Tax Basis. This setting determines how Xero will treat your VAT for reporting purposes. It's important because it affects when VAT is recognized in your accounts and on your VAT returns. Take a moment to read any description or help text that Xero provides next to this field, just to make sure you understand what's being changed. In this example, we're going to set the tax basis to accrual basis. That means VAT is recorded based on the invoice date rather than the payment date. On the screen, you'll see options under tax basis. Click on accrual basis to select it. Make sure the selection is clearly highlighted or checked before moving on. If you're unsure whether accrual is right for your business, it's a good idea to confirm this with your